Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix emails going to spam in System.io quickly and easily. First, log into your System.io account. The most important step is to stop sending emails from a free address like Gmail or Yahoo. Instead, use a professional email address connected to your own domain, like support@yourdomain.com, meltosupport@yourdomain.com. Now, inside System.io, go to Settings and then click Mailing Settings or Emails, depending on your account layout. Make sure your sender email address is verified and set correctly. Next, authenticate your domain inside System.io. To do that, add the DNS record System.io gives you, including SPF, DKIM, and DMARC-related records. In your domain provider account, these records help email providers trust your emails and can significantly improve deliverability. If your domain is not authenticated, your emails are much more likely to land in spam. Also, avoid using spammy subject lines with too many capital letters, symbols, or words like free, guaranteed, urgent, or act now. Keep your email content simple, clear, and natural. Try not to overload your email with too many links, too many images, or short links from tools like Bitly. It also helps to send emails only to people who actually subscribe to your list. If you keep sending to inactive or low-quality contacts, your sender reputation can drop and more emails may start going to spam. Another good tip is to warm up a new domain slowly. Instead of sending a huge number of emails right away, start small and increase gradually. Once your domain is authenticated, your sender email is verified, and your content is cleaned up, your email deliverability should improve a lot. That's it. Those are the main ways to fix emails going to spam in System.io. And if you're planning to use System.io, check out my recommended link in the description below.